Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Viraj and today we guys are going to discuss a function part 3. Here we are going to cover args and keyword arguments. Args used for passing the n number of argument to the particular function. These arguments can be any type, which can be integer, float, string and extensive data type like list, tuple, dictionary and set and etc. We can change the name of asterisk args, but asterisk is mandatory or star is mandatory. So we can give any name to the args. This args will store a data into the tuple format internally. So for example, def test asterisk args print args. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are passing a 5 elements, but only one we have defined. So only there is a one parameter which is a args, which will accept all these 5 elements and internally it will store in a tuple format. So this is how it will work. We will see this same thing in a practical implementation. kwargs. It is also called the keyword arguments, which is used for passing the n number of argument to particular function. Internally, it will store the data into the dictionary format. Again, we can change the name for a keyword arguments. We can see that details is my function name, kwargs is my keyword argument, and I'm just printing it. So what I'm passing name Viraj course Python. Internally it will get stored as a dictionary and it will print the output in a dictionary format. Name as a key, course as a key, Viraj and Python as a value. Let's see the practical implementation of it. Asterisk args def test asterisk args print args test 1 2 3 4 5 and we can see that 5 elements. Test 1 true 5.5 abc. Guys, we are passing a multiple elements but with the different data type: integer, boolean, float and string. Still it works, but internally the data type, top level data type will be tuple. Similarly, test we can pass 1 2 3, we can pass a as 10 and b as 20, then we can pass one more thing, set. So we can see this. So we can pass a multiple type of data. Let's see the keyword argument asterisk asterisk kwargs. So two asterisks are mandatory to define a keyword argument. Def details asterisk asterisk kwargs print kwargs details. The way we have to pass the argument name Viraj course equal to Python. So we can see that internally it is creating a dictionary with the key and value pair. We can do something like this: name equal to list, which is Viraj, comma Ravi, comma Vijay, comma course equal to list, Python, Java and CPP. So we can see this. Even the value can be anything. On a left hand side we can see the key and on a right hand side we can see the value. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next.